This is a really good explanation of Chinese real estate boom and bust that well done in this article here. There is a explanation by a hedge fund manager why they were buying the bonds of these Chinese bond issuers who they knew were using collateral for multiple bonds that they were trying to issue. They were using the same yachts, the same private jets, the same real estate for multiple things that they were borrowing money on. And this developer was, or this hedge fund manager was asked, why did, if you knew that, why did you do the bond? And he said, look at this. If a portfolio manager chooses not to overlook the collateral issue and refuses to buy those bonds, his performance will rank last and he will get fired. And that is the ethics of Wall Street. That's why fund managers do what they do, because if they don't keep up with their peer group, whatever their peer group is doing, whatever kind of insanity their peer group is investing in, they will rank last and they will get fired. And that's why you, as an individual investor, can pound Wall Street returns.